rested and ready to work off that snack. So let's go, go, go!
You know, when Mimi's in a good mood, it's hard to be around her and not be happy, too.
Oh, it's just my little gift to the world.
Yeah. You're awfully quiet, Joe. What's wrong?
Nothing.
I don't believe you.
Oh, no! Joe! This is awful!
It looks like an old Twilight Zone episode.
I told you not to expect too much.
The color is all missing.
Pretty depressing, unless you're a big fan of charcoal.
I can't believe anybody would do such a terrible thing. Smashing all those poor defenseless digi-eggs. It's terrible.
Huh?
What is it, Joe?
I heard something. Over there!
Joe, wait!
Was that a harmonica?
You think it's...
Bad!
Where are they headed? Hey, wait for us!